You ask for it, we got it. Everybody come to Best RV when they're looking at fifth wheel, they want a small fifth wheel, but roomy. And always everybody telling me I want something below 31 feet. Well, guess what? Today we're presenting you the brand new Rockwood 301RK. Brand new 2025 Rockwood Signature 301RK. Tip to tip is 31.4, and the box is almost 29 feet. But the beauty about this one, even if it's 31 overall length, but so roomy and it has a lot of amenities the big fifth wheel has. Number one, this unit has 2 air conditioning on the roof with a heat pump. Number two, this is true aluminum frame construction, 6-wall aluminum frame. That means the floor, the roof, the 4 walls, they're all aluminum construction. Number four, it has two 200-watt solar panel on the roof. With number five, ABS brake, and that's the reason why you see the calipers outside of the brake is red, because it has ABS brake, electric ABS brake. Plus all the extra things. Now, why really I like it, even it's a 31 overall length, but it has that air seating and the U-shaped dinette as well. It has a full queen bed on the front. And the position of the TV, you can see here I have like almost 50-inch TV, LCD smart insignia, smart TV. I could watch it from the dinette, I could watch it from the theater seating. Even if I'm in the kitchen cooking, I could watch the TV. And then ladies, you always complaining, not enough kitchen counter space, not enough pantry. Well, guess what? Look, all this counter space. Even there's a prep area on the right side and the left side of the stove. There's a prep area on the left and the right side of the sink. This is solid surface countertop, not a composite. You have multiple pop-up socket for 110 and USB plugs. The sink is one piece stainless steel sink. And those one, we use them if you want to put, when we wash the dishes, we want to sit them here so they could drain. Nice place for trash cans with self-closing closets. And it's very roomy, but this is solid wood. This is not a paper wrap. And they are self-closing. You have multiple doors. Look how deep it is. And they are self-closed. So you have 3 on this side, you have 3, plus here you can put your soap brush, more storage, place for trash can if you want more, but you know, cooking pan, another phase, unbelievable upper storage with shelf and a lip. You could see all the storage on this unit. Plus you have a nice storage on the right side all the way to the corner as well in upper of the macro. We have 10-inch macro, not the small one. Look how big it is. As well, nice Furrion 3-burner range with big oven. I could put a turkey oven with the light. And I love this cool cooking pan tray. Look like a warmer, but exactly is a cooking pan. Then coming over here, as we said, the big smart TV with the fireplace, the India. Going to the fridge, we have 2-way side refrigerator. I could open any side I want. 10.9 cubic for the refrigerator, run a full volt. And by the way, I don't have to worry because I have 400-watt solar panel on the roof. U-shaped dinette facing the TV and the fireplace, as well cross-conductive edge seating with a doors. And over here we have USB ports as here, more storage and a nice tier seating and they are electric, and they have USB plug and a cup holder. You have also in this one here Bluetooth speakers, for speakers inside and speakers outside. Going to the bedroom, you have a nice handle to walk in it. Voila, did you hear the speakers? Then you have a big handle here, and all my controller is covered in a nice cabinet. Some Fifthwheel, you're gonna see a bunch of plugs all over. Not on this Rockwood. They have the control panel here, and awning strip. You can see the light for the strip. Solar panel. This is 30 amp solar panel control. Come with it. 100 watt on the roof. And this way we have digital AC heater thermostat, and this controls the front AC and the back AC. Coming over here, you have a nice king size bed with the reading light and USB plug in the reading light. See, stored underneath in the top. Second AC, air conditioned vents. As well, you have a full storage. This is what separates Rockwood from the other brand. Even the structure of the bed and the dinette and the component inside is made from aluminum frame, whereas the competitor is a wood frame, and give you more longevity on the unit, more solid. Other manufacturers, they use wood. Right, the mat. There's enough room space to walk around the bed, as you see, and shelf. So if I have a breathing machine at night, I have a plug for it and I have a place for it. Nice 32-inch smart TV in front of the bed, and you have a big huge closet with adjustable shelf and hanging, and you have doors for socks and pencils. Coming down over here, we have a beautiful bathroom with a square sink and a solid medicine cabinet, and a plastic. Fantastic fan in the roof with a cover, place for linen, and a nice standing shower with the roomy for heads and elbow. Nice glass shower door, porcelain toilet, and a solid bucket door for privacy. So you can see this Rockwood 301RK, it gives me everything, the big fancy Fifthwheel in a smaller size. And it is half-ton towable. So if you have any half-ton towable where they pull 11,300, like some of them, you could pull this Fifthwheel, no question asked. Let me go outside and show you the features of the Rockwood signature 301RK. Follow me. Has the nice gel coated cap, full body. This is painted, so this cap is painted. This is painted with LED light. It has the curves turning points. This is a big deal on this unit. I don't have to buy a slider Fifthwheel hitch to pull this unit, because the front of this unit turns 360 degrees on the front, which is allow you to make a U-turn on a short bed without going outside from your truck bed and slide the slider Fifthwheel hitch. So when you buy this unit and you have a short bed, we don't install a slider hitch in your truck. We install the normal hitch, which is cost less. And we open the turning point here for you. We open it, so then the front will move with you with your movement, so you could make a U-turn in the street or on the road and without going outside to slide the hitch. All other Fifthwheels, unfortunately, that piece is fixed, where you have to buy a slider hitch on short bed and you have to go outside and slide it back when you do the short turn. With this one, you do not. Another advantage, you have a frameless window, so I don't have to caulk this one every year like the normal window. As well, we have a LED light this side, so you could see at that when we hook up all the sewage. Slide toppers over you slide out, that protected from the rain, as well the stuff from the roof. We have the pass-through storage, one-piece docking station. As you notice, the door is magnet hold itself. It has the auto leveling. You just turn the switch and you push auto, and then the unit will do the dance and level itself. All aluminum construction, as you see right there. This is a big deal because Rockwood is the only product providing you with a full house water filtration system. So it does not matter where the water is coming from, the city water connection or from the freshwater tank, all of it go through that filter, so you're getting clean water. Other brands, they don't offer it to you. And then we have a storage underneath the dinette. As we said, the dinette, it has doors on the right and the left, and the U-shaped dinette as well. The back is accessible from the top and the side outside. This is a pro for you on a construction wise and quality. It's even the structure of the dinette and the bed, it's aluminum. So you don't have wood bra. As well, the competitors, they use wood. We do not. Thicker doors with the metal locker. Another snap locker doors with tall. So if I have fishing pole, something with duals, that I could put it here with no problem. Another advantage, people, they don't see it until I talk about it. All the other competitors, they give you what's called ladder prep, which is the piece plastic and it said lippert on it. And this is designed for the expandable lippert ladder. Well, Rockwood, they do not. Rockwood, they buy physically the ladder and they install it for you. So you don't have to buy additional $300 lippert expandable ladder like some other brand. It come with it. 50 amp cord come with it. 50 amp plug. You have a nice tube bumper where you slide your store hose inside. You have a class 3 hitch, handle up to 300 pounds. You have another outside shower. So you have two outside shower in this unit, one in the docking station and one in the rear. Power awning with LED light. Outside storage over here. And as you see, the cover for the Dexter rim, or actually the curves, it's red. That means it's electric ABS. And I want to give the camera over here to prove for them how heavy and duty is the curved shackle and the suspensions, comparing the other brand. They give you the torsion bar axle, and torsion bar axle, that's the reason why the Rockwood, they give you a longer warranty on their axles. Spare tires is hidden underneath. You don't have to worry about the bumper. This is another fastening storage from both sides. And then here's a place for a 7-gallon tank. You have one on this side, one on the other side. And in the front, there's the storage and the controllers, battery disconnect switch, and that's where you'll carry back, go inside. Solar prep again on the side as well, already has solars on the roof. This is one of the few features the Rockwood signature they offer you and on the 301. I love this unit. It's not too small, not too big, and I could take it anywhere. Very roomy inside, a lot of windows, as you see, a lot of space. Perfect price. We shop every day. We said 8 hours a day shopping for you to give you a price no dealer could match in the state of California or this side of the country. We have the best and the lowest price. Come to Best RVN and grab it, because we give you a deal and we make your dream come reality on the road by going camping and have fun.